Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 302b.
FamilyMath302b. So this is a problem I saw, and I actually did this project yesterday with your brother. I saw this problem from a Fawn Win tweet, and it's a problem from that Annie Fetter published, and she works at the Math Forum. And it's actually a pretty neat problem, and I just want to hear your thoughts about it and how you work through it and stuff. And I couldn't write the whole problem out, so let me read it off the computer screen, and most of it's on the board. Last weekend I was watching leaves fall from a tree. As the wind picked up, the leaves fell faster. I noticed I noticed this interesting pattern. During the first minute, only one leaf fell. During each passing minute, the number of leaves that fell was equal to the total on the ground plus 1. If the pattern continues, how many leaves will fall during the 12th minute and during the 24th minute? Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Alright, so tell me what's going on first so we can erase.
So we have some falling leaves, and in the first minute one falls, and in the second minute 2 will fall, because there's 1 on the ground plus 1.
Okay.
So more and more leaves keep falling. And, well, that's about it.
Okay, what's the rule for the number of leaves that fall?
The number of leaves that fall during each minute is equal to the number of leaves on the ground plus 1.
Okay. Alright, so let's erase and see if you can answer how many will fall during the 12th and how many will fall during the 24th. Very interested to hear your thoughts on
So
this
the
problem.
12th
Sorry about that.
and the 24th.
Alright, just making sure we're still on camera here. Alright, go ahead.
I'm going to make a chart. So, number of leaves on the ground and the minute number.
Alright.
So in the first minute, there's 1 leaf on the ground. In the second minute, you're going to have 2 more leaves fall, so there's going to be 3 on the ground. Third minute, you're going to have 4 more leaves fall. See if there's a pattern. So during the 4th minute, 8 leaves will fall. So you're going to have 15.
Help me understand what's going on here.
So I'm looking at the end of the first minute.
Okay.
There's 1 leaf. 1 leaf falls.
Alright.
So, and then the second minute, 2 leaves fall.
Alright.
So there's 3 leaves total on the ground.
Okay.
During the 3rd minute, 4 leaves fall, because there's 3 on the ground.
I see. Okay.
Then, for the 5th minute, you need to add 16 more leaves. Sixth minute. This is a pretty big tree. 7th minute. Add 64. So we have this. I mean, we could write it all out to the 24th.
Yeah, we could.
Out of curiosity, I just want to see what the 8th is. So, 128. So I see a little pattern here in the last digit. There's 1, 1375. 1375.
Oh, that's interesting.
So maybe, well, the 12th and 24th, it looks like it's the multiples of 4 that give you the 5s.
Okay.
So the 12th and 24th will end in 5s. But that's not too helpful. I mean, it gives us the last digit, but we don't know any of the other digits.
Yeah.
Was there any? Doesn't seem like there's any relationship between these numbers and these numbers. Actually, I see something now. There is. So, not counting this one, this you have to add 1 to get from, so you have to plus 1 to get from this number to this number, then plus 4, then plus 9, plus 16. Oh, yeah, it is 16. Then when they start getting bigger, this pattern doesn't hold.
Explain that pattern to me again.
So to get from 2 to 3, you have to add 1.
Mm-hmm.
To get from 3 to 7, you have to add 4.
Yeah.
To get from 4 to 15, you have to add 11, not 9.
Okay.
So this pattern doesn't work.
Yeah. All right.
So how could we get the 12th and 24th? Well, actually, the 12th is pretty close, so maybe we can just do after the 12th.
Okay.
So add 256 to this. Now I see a little square pattern,
Okay.
or powers of 2 pattern. So it's not from these numbers to these numbers, it's to get from number to number.
All right.
So from each 1 to
Tell you
3.
what, we're probably above 5 minutes. Why don't we just?
All right.
Oh, actually, we're at 8 minutes.